Hey, what's up everybody, it's Obaid from Obaid, and in this video I wanted to share some free awesome Geometry Nodes assets with you guys. And these are created by Blender AC, an awesome Blender artist who creates outstanding Geometry Node stuff. If you wanna check him out, then you can follow the links down in the description. So you can grab all of these Geometry Nodes generators for free by just typing 0 in the amount till March. But I highly recommend supporting the creator if you can. There are also some projects which use the legacy nodes, and I won't recommend using those as those are now outdated. You can follow the link down in the description to get these project files. Now let's see what we have. A freeze generator by which you can freeze anything you want. An IV generator to generate IVs. A tree generator setup with 5 default presets. A crazy castle generator that can create procedural castle walls and towers. A cottage generator offering many easy parameters to make your own set of cottages. And last but not least, an Xmas tree generator that was free already. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos and tutorials. I'll be back.